Hello everyone, I am Mr. Arvind Gute and welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions on SYBSC AECC English. Before starting the discussion, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. To get multiple choice questions on this topic, please watch my video till the end. So let's start the discussion. Let's discuss multiple choice questions for practice on SYBSC 2019 pattern, which is known as AECC English. Unit 1st, Literature. A Shadow by R.K. Narayan. Who is the author of the story A Shadow? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Mulk Raj Anand. C. R.K. Narayan. D. Raja Rao. Correct answer is C. R.K. Narayan. A Shadow is a poignant story about A. Sacrifice, B. Grief, C. Love and loss, D. Dedication. Correct answer is C. Love and loss. Shambhu's mother reluctant to see the film because A. She did not like watching movies, B. She could not bear to see her dead husband moving on screen, C. She feels sleepy while watching movies, D. She did not have enough money to purchase ticket. Correct answer is B. She could not bear to see her dead husband moving on screen. 4. In the story A Shadow, we have theme of A. Letting go, B. Grief, C. Loneliness and memories, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. In the short story A Shadow, character Shambhu liked to A. Play with his friend, B. Read and write, C. See his father on the cinema screen, D. Fight with his friend. Correct answer is C. See his father on the cinema screen. The short story A Shadow is taken from R.K. Narayan's short story collection named as A. Malgudi Days, B. Swami and his friends, C. The Guide, D. The Bachelor of Art. Correct answer is A. Malgudi Days. At the end of the story, A Shadow, Shambhu realizes that what he is seeing in cinema is not real. B. His father is really gone. C. Only A. D. Both A and B. Correct answer is B. Both A and B. Now, poem La Belle Dame Sans Merci, which is written by John Keats. The poem La Belle Dame Sans Merci was written in the year A. 1817, B. 1818, C. 1819, D. 1820. Correct answer is C. 1890. The poem La Belle Dame Sans Merci translate to a beautiful and innocent lady, a beautiful lady with mercy, a beautiful lady without mercy, none of the above. Correct answer is a beautiful lady without mercy. The poem La Belle Dame Sans Merci is an example of which kind of poetic genre? A. Lyric, B. Ballad, C. Epic, D. Ode. Correct answer is B. Ballad. Complete the lines. Oh, what can ail thee, dash at arms? A. Brother, B. King, C. Knight, D. Son. So correct answer is C. Knight. Which gifts were given to the lady by the knight? A. Garland, B. Bracelet, C. Fragrant zone, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Why does the poet say fairy song to the song of the lady? Because A. She was fair, B. Her language was unknown to him, he did not like the song, her song was emotional. Correct answer is B. Her language was unknown to him. What does the poet mean in the phrase and her eyes were wild? A. Eyes full of innocence, bright and beautiful, full with terror, fully dark and grey. Correct answer is full with terror. Next poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear. by Rabindranath Tagore. The poem Where the Mind is Without Fear is known as A. Universal Poem, B. Prayer Poem 35, C. Ballad, D. A and B both. So correct answer is D. A and B both. Where does the poem Where the Mind is Without Fear occur? A. English version of Gitanjali, Bengali version of Radha Krishna, English version of Swadesh, Bengali version of Swadhinata. Correct answer is English version of Gitanjali. Into that haven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. The country referred to here is A. India, B. England, C. America, D. Britain. Correct answer is A. India. The expression head is held high indicates A. Freedom of mind, B. Freedom of self-respect, C. Freedom of mind and self-respect, D. Freedom of enjoying political enjoying political rights. Correct answer is C. Freedom of mind and self-respect. The expression knowledge is free indicates A. Free from early India, free from scientific idea, free from superstition, D. Free from corruption. Correct answer is free from superstition. So for more videos, please visit the description box of this video and please download the document. Thank you.